Hello, future toppers. My name is Santosh Gupta. I am here to discuss strategy for prelims 2023. Let me briefly introduce myself. I am prelims coordinator at Civilsdaily. I qualified all my 6 prelims attempts with score 120 plus. Last year, I started program called Super 25, in which 16 out of 25 students qualified for prelims. This year also I am expecting at least 20 out of 25 should be qualified. Now, without much ado, let's start the strategy for this year 23. Now, generally there are two kinds of aspirants, or I can say one aspirants making these two kinds of mistake. First is giving mock test without preparation. This is like not going, not knowing where you are going. That is, it gives no idea and it's no scope for improvement in your preparation. Why? Because if you are not prepared properly, how can you check whether how much you have prepared? So there are these kind of aspirants who have not done proper study and giving test and becoming hopeless. Now there are second kind who are preparing properly, having doing coaching also, or maybe doing self study but not giving test, or keeping test or mock test for the last, that okay, last I will give some test and then go for UPSC prelims. That does not help also. When exam is near and you need to consolidate, so it's better that you give test in early state. It should not be like कि जब पछताए होत क्या जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत. सो टेस्ट या जो भी है, जो भी आप मॉक टेस्ट दे रहे हैं, दैट शुड बी टू enhance your understanding about the subject or topic or about the entire syllabus. So once you had a study, you had revised the particular topic, you should be giving test. It should be a barometer of your preparation. It should not be like कि time manage करना है UPSC prelims में तो test दे दिया. So mock test is very important. It should give you clear idea about how much you have prepared and step-wise improvement, because prelims is not merely selecting correct answer as it is written here, but reaching the correct answer by eliminating the wrong answer. There will only few questions jahan pe you will see the option and you can directly select the option. No, only free questions. But in most of questions, you have to apply your mind and select between 2-3 probable answers. So there you have to be careful. You have to know the crux of the question. You have to know how to reach to the answer. So step-wise improvement is needed. You cannot do in the April month or May month when exam is there in next 2023 attempt. So revision, test, or learning out of it, then again you apply that into the revision, and then again you give the test. So that should be a continuous process. And in this way you can also learn the logical approach to solve the questions. It should not be like haphazard कि दे रहे हैं टेस्ट पता ही नहीं चल रहा है कि मेरा अच्छा है प्रिपरेशन कि मेरा खराब है. कभी 100 मार्क्स आ रहा है, कभी 120 आ रहा है, कभी 80 आ रहा है, कभी 60 आ रहा है, like you are 50 correct, 50 incorrect कर रहे हो. So all these things should be worked out eventually. That's why you need to start early. Now 1 year is left for prelims 2023. So this is the correct time you should start giving test. And even more than, you should learn certain elimination methods and trick logical approach that would help you to reach to the correct answer in short possible time. And how it will come? By analyzing mock test, that test you are giving, where you can use the logic, the previous year's question, where you can use the logic. You see how logic is working. It should not be like a last minute trick seekh lenge and then you can able to solve the question. Never works. Along with that, you need a mentor feedback also, that where are you going with your preparation, your test, and whether you are improving over the time or not. There are some people who will be like stuck at the same place every year. You will be left behind by 5 or 10 marks. Why this happens? Because you have not improved. You have not learned to reach to the correct answer. That should be the ultimate objective. Now, introducing Prime Prelims Test Series and Mentorship. Now, this is not an ordinary test series but it comes with a mandatory mentorship program that you will get help from mentor. So overall, it's a 44 test: polity, history, economy, geography, environment, science. So all topics covered, 3 to 4 tests each topics, along with revision test, economic survey, budget, and entire current affairs, CSAT also, and full length test. So more than any institute, the test is being provided. The details are also given in the description, that you can check number of tests and the schedule. So basic test will be 14 along with the 2 revision tests, current affair test 6 covering entire year, advanced test that will be like just the above the difficulty level in logic approach in advanced test, then full length test 10, then we are not forgetting the CSAT also, so 6 tests. So total 44 tests. And let me remind you again, all questions in the test are based on UPSC pattern, based on the evidence base. चाहे बेसिक हो, एडवांस टेस्ट हो, फुल टेस्ट हो, सिंगल लाइन का क्वेश्चन हो, 2 ऑप्शंस हो, 3 ऑप्शंस हो, और रैंडम क्वेश्चन जैसे यूपीएससी में आता है. ऑल आर कीपिंग इन द माइंड दैट यूपीएससी क्वेश्चंस हैव कम. So exactly on the pattern of that, nothing here and there. So you will get exactly what that is needed in the exam. Now, what are the special features for this Prime Prelims test? First, the most number of tests. Then any institute in India, 44. Exactly on the UPSC pattern, it is the evidence based on the study of the previous year's question of 20 years that questions are being designed. And it is there to enhance your conceptual understanding. But without it, if your concepts are not enhanced by giving test, what is the purpose of that? There is no purpose in that. Then current affair test covering entire, if you just give the current 6 current affair test of ours, your entire current affair should be prepared for the whole year. And dynamic integration, static and current will be integrated. In the static question, you will be current based options. In the current based question, you will get a static based question. That actually is coming in the UPSC. Then sixth feature, threefold approach of solving papers. That you will learn when you join, how you can divide your question in factual, conceptual, and analytical way, and you can able to attempt the question, reduce your negative marking, and enhance your score. And seventh, learning elimination technique. Based on the previous experiences that UPSC gives scope for you eliminate the question, at least score 20 marks more than normal who could not do. That things we are integrating in the test, and each and every test 10 to 20 questions will lack that you can learn. Then entire current affair magazine for 1 year will be provided free of cost. Economic and budget survey videos and notes that will be the additional to the test that we are providing. Now, active peer learning, we promote that active peer learning should be there. So we have a group there, you can learn among each other in giving while after giving the test, discuss question also. We provide that feature. And the most important, Prime mentorship. So when you and it is designed to tackle the twin issue I was talking, that is test without a study and a study but not giving the test. So the prime purpose of mentor will be to make you study, revise first, and then give test. And when you give the test, he will ask you to analyze it, learn from your mistakes, because there is not too much time in UPSC preparation that you keep learning from others' mistake. So you have to learn from others. And it will be a year-long mentorship program till prelims, and after you qualify, if you want, after the prelims also. So, and it is a on-demand mentorship call. So whenever you demand, like after giving a 3-4 test or in a month, you will be provided. So year long, you can ask after giving 3-4 tests, and you can ask for a mentor call. Then bi-weekly Zoom discussion for doubts and discussion will be there by the mentor. They can ask all your issues that is there. And 24/7 habitat group mentor support. It is just like a WhatsApp group where you can post your queries, and that will be answered by the mentors that will be present there. Anytime, any day, you can ask any doubts. So I invite you to join the Prime Prelims with mentorship program with all the tests and early starters, and you can definitely be full prepared for the prelims 2023. All the links are given in the description. You can register if you have any queries, and you can also directly join. Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Civilsdaily.